Hey, what's going on everybody, and welcome to a Smart Investor channel. So okay guys, we need to talk about Tattooed Chef with ticker symbol TTCF. In my personal opinion, and other YouTubers may disagree with this, but I am super bullish for Tattooed Chef. They're killing it guys with continuous impressive growth, not only in their financials, but also in the diversified products guys that they're doing. I really like their SKUs. They're also increasing their selling points, like the new national partnership with Target, which is huge guys, and Target has a whopping almost 2,000 stores national wise, so that is incredibly amazing. We'll talk about this and much more in this video, so stick around until the end. I really advise that. So today I'll be breaking down the catalyst, we'll do a technical chart analysis, and we'll talk about my buying strategy. For those new to the channel, well, I'm a corporate professional, stock investor, real estate investor, and a passionate gamer. And I also do YouTube videos to share my knowledge and passion with like minds like yourselves. So that being said, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Listen guys, I really appreciate it, and I'd like to thank you for taking that extra second for smashing that like button. It helps tremendously the channel. And before we move on guys, if you trade in different currencies, which is very strategic to do by the way, because as you've seen, the US dollar, Canadian, European, whatever that is, euro, is actually fluctuating quite a bit, so you want to take maybe advantage of that. I'm doing personally, and you'd love to save tons of money and not get ripped off by current crazy 2 to 4% fees on any exchange rates that you're doing from your Canadians to US or US to Canadians. So what I'm personally doing, look in the link below guys. I have a TransferWise link. I'm an affiliate, and you'll have some perks on top of that, so use my link to get all that and to start saving money when you exchange your currencies. So now guys, let's move on. All right guys, so amazing news about the Target partnership. Look at this. Tattooed Chef launches 6 plant-powered products at Target stores nationwide. Like I said guys, these guys are at 2,000 stores nearly nationwide, so this is going to be tremendous growth I think for Tattooed Chef. And for some of you who have gone to those shopping malls, those stores where there are the existing products of Tattooed Chef, it gets sold out guys. People love it. Look at this. The SKUs that will be sold in their stores will be the mac and cheese, pizza bowl, veggie, Buddha bowl, that sounds rich, plant-based burrito, and enchilada. I mean, this is pretty diversified. I love it, and it's tasty. It's really good, and the price point is not so bad. It's $5 per bowl, so this is quite good for somebody who doesn't want to cook and wants to make it fast but tasty. Okay, so love it. All right guys, so their fourth quarter for 2020 and the full year financials results guys, as well as their 21 outlook. So that means what do we expect for this year results. So amazing guys. What I did read, I did like it, as opposed to perhaps other analysts or other YouTubers who are a bit more bearish on this. I truly liked it. Look at this. So the president and CEO himself said, we're pleased with our solid financial results for the fourth quarter and full year 2020, driven by record sales. We're successfully executing our growth strategy and have kept the momentum going with a strong start to 2021. Further guys, let's look into this results for the full year of 2020 in comparison to the previous year of 2019. Revenue was $148 million. That's an increase of 75% guys, compared to the previous year at $85 million. Okay, Tattooed Chef brand product revenue was a record of $85 million. That's an increase of 363% guys, compared to 18.3 million in the prior year. So these numbers guys are just mind-blowing for me personally. This is consistently great growth. I will definitely put more money into Tattooed Chef because I believe they will continue to do great in 2021 and in the further years to come. The net income guys, $45.4 million compared to $5.6 million in the prior year, so that is significantly more. That's almost 10 times more. The tax benefit noted for the fourth quarter had the same impact on the full year net income. Adjusted EBITDA was $9.6 million. That's 6% of total revenue, compared to $6.9 million or 8% of revenue in the prior year. So guys, these guys are making money. They're on a path of profitability. So how many SPACs can we say out there that they're profitable guys, or on the verge of making profits guys? So I really truly like the fundamentals so far in this company. Now if we look down here at their balance sheet and cash flow, so as of December 31st, so that's end of 2020, they had $131.6 million as previously announced, including the cash proceeds from the warrants, so as you guys know, and the warrants they will have until February 2022, so that's been expired, and they calculate to have an extra $200 million. So this is pretty healthy. The outlook for 2021, so what should we expect in terms of numbers, financials for 2021? They reinstated it would be a revenue of $222 million, which is almost 50% increase from 2020, and gross margins should be between 20 and 25%. EBITDA should be a range between $8 and $10 million, so that's quite a bit increase from previous year. The net income range of $2.5 million to $5 million. So guys, by these numbers and projections, personally speaking, I'm a happy investor, okay? There will be bumps I do see moving forward, and I'll tell you why. But overall, these are the reasons why I'm bullish, guys, okay? And why I still put more money as it dropped to the $19 and $18, and I will continue to do so. Now let's move forward with the charts. All right, guys, so Tattoo Chef is currently sitting at almost $21, so that's 18 cents below. That's down 1.5%, okay? Here's my buying strategy, and this is only my personal opinion, okay? Basically, at this current price, guys, so right now it's at right here at $20.82. This is a hold position for me. So whoever's already in there, personally, I was already. So I kept buying below $20 to average cost down as much as possible. So I'm currently at $19 level. So this is good. This is a hold position for me. I'm not buying anything above 21 or even 20.50. Here is my next buying zone for me personally. Anything below $19.30 will be a buying point for me. So between $17 and $19, I will definitely add to my position if it dips here again. The second one, and this may happen, guys, because now there are bears in the market, generally speaking, and these kind of companies are getting hit. The second level that I would definitely load up the boat tremendously, guys, it's below $17. So that would be between $14.75 and $17, okay? Very important, guys. This is my biggest buying zone for me personally in my strategy. I will load up the boat at this range right here, okay? So very important. Like I said, anything above the current price, guys, I'm not buying more shares. I'm comfortable with my current position, but if it does dip below that, like I said, 1 and 2, those are my two buying strategies points, okay? For resistance level, guys, it's going to be really crucial that we challenge the resistance level here at $23.25. This is going to be very hard, guys, because as you can see, once, twice, I mean, there's like about 8 times here it's been solicited in the past and we got rejected. The next level, if we do break this wall, will be at $25 followed by $27. These zones here, guys, we will see some sell-offs. I do expect that to happen. So for those who are day trading this, definitely this zone here would be very lucrative for you, as I expect sell-off points to be triggered at both these levels. So nothing says that you can't do money on the way down as much as the way up. I've been doing this on Tattoo Chef and other stocks that I like, you know, that's the name of the game. Palantir is a huge one. You make margins up and down. I mean, this is just great. But at some point, if you want to make it for the long-term investment, especially now, guys, that the markets are bearish and that we're gonna start to see less of that huge volatility upwards, then maybe for me personally, my thoughts is I'm now gonna place my chips where I believe for the long term, and I'm not gonna be day trading so much as I used to, because you've seen it in the SPACs, guys. It's not going as huge as you previously were. So you need to be more careful with each of your dollars and invest really smart so you don't lose your money and you buy very highs at this point, okay, guys? So what I'd like to see next week, guys, it's for Tattoo Chef to hold the lines at $20.80. This is very crucial. You're seeing here that we're dipping there, okay? If it doesn't hold, well, unfortunately, I have bad news because this will likely go back to the $19. And then I'm hoping that this holds the line and that we don't see further bearish sentiment in the markets and the bond yields, interest rates fears, even though Powell has already reassured everybody for years. Doesn't matter. There are investors out there, hedge funds, you know, definitely they're rotating their stocks into value stocks. So listen, we can't control that, right? We're not billionaires. So we need to be very careful, guys, okay? That's why I'm saying I'm not buying anything above $21. I've already said that. My buying strategy, if it falls below $19, I will definitely add, and below $17, it's a no-brainer. I'm loading the boat because then I will just wait and hold, and for these hedge funds to wake up and investors, and then it's going to skyrocket afterwards, okay? So that is the more bad news scenario, which I'm okay with. I'm just going to load up the boat. If it's a more bullish one, we'll expect this to actually definitely range the $23 followed by the $25. So I'm hoping for this to consolidate with more buyers here and then explode towards the $25, okay? My price target for this, guys, it's $28. Definitely is something that I see in the near future, but this definitely above $30 makes sense in the midterm, okay? So those are my thoughts, guys, my price targets and my buying strategy. What do you think, guys? Did you appreciate this? And smash that like button, guys. Truly supports and helps the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys. So that's that bell below here, the video, because that's going to notify you when I do a new video. Thank you so much, guys. Have a rest of the great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.